Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and long of the
Please give it up for musician third class. Twist in the U-2 with the landing configuration. Speeds, well, the U-2 is doing a little over 100 miles an hour right now, and that muscle car is keeping right up. And behind both of them, here comes Gucci and the U-2. Now listen to these 17,000 pounds of thrust. This high-efficiency wing, watch this jet climb. And know that it can top off at 70,000. Training to fly these jets, stay proficient, very important work, and that's what these T-38s do as they fly by now.
Ladies and gentlemen, stand up and put your hands together for Major Heaster in the F-16 Fighting Bucks.
Major Heister is now slowing down. Watch as FEMA sets up for a maximum performance climb with a series of aileron rolls. As he pulls back on the stick, you will see the Viper's exceptional power and rolling ability as he sends it from 300 feet to over 3 miles in less than 20 seconds.
Ladies and gentlemen, Major Heister has begun a spiraling descent in preparation for the dedication pass. Major Heister and the rest of the F-16 Viper demonstration team wish to dedicate this next pass to the men and women from all branches of the armed forces and their families stationed around the world defending America. We would like to recognize our wounded warriors and veterans in attendance who are fighting wounds that we can see while also battling those we cannot. To honor every American who has given their lives defending this freedom don't come free. I'm an American soldier.
The Viper you see in Eli Sanchez from Visalia, California. We left on our male specialist that started 1994. Avionics specialist Senior Airman Blaine Dickey from Medford, Oregon, and Public Affairs Specialist Senior Airman Stephen Cardo from Miami, Florida.
Started out as a one-time event, has grown in popularity and demand. In 2010, the Air Force Heritage Flight Foundation joined with the United States Air Force to keep this popular program flying. And now, Heritage Flights are performed at air shows and special events in the United States and around the world.
Marine Aircraft Wing, Marine Aircraft Group 11, BMFA T-502 take great pleasure in presenting the F-35B Lightning II, the world's first short takeoff vertical landing or STOL stealth fighter. In front of you now, the F-35B positioning for a conventional takeoff. Today's flight demonstration will consist of both a conventional and short takeoff and a near vertical landing. The demonstration pilot today, Major Craig Turner, call sign Chuckles. He's from Oakland, California, and he's been flying the F-35B since April of 2019. F-35 is a multi-role aircraft produced by Lockheed Martin, a result of multi-service, multinational effort currently spanning 3 U.S. services and 9 partner nations. The F-35 family of aircraft currently flown by the United States Marine Corps, the United States Navy, and the United States Air Force, as well as air forces and navies of the United Kingdom, Australia, Italy, Israel, Japan, Norway, and the Netherlands. Chuckles is setting up for a high-speed pass. The Lightning is capable of flight in excess of Mach 1 at altitudes in excess of 40,000 feet. The flyby flight controls and fly-by-wire flight control system provides extreme agility while reducing pilot workload. Program to provide a next-gen strike fighter aircraft weapon system for the Marine Corps, Navy, Air Force, and Allied. In addition to its impressive stealth capabilities, the F-35B is designed to be capable of carrying a wide range. In history. Its next generation avionics and sensor fusion give the pilot As the pilot sets up to execute the tactical pitch, the F-35 will demonstrate its extreme maneuverability capabilities by rapidly repositioning the nose of the aircraft at 120 degrees of turn. After which the pilot will climb away after the tactical pitch to demonstrate the aircraft's ability to accelerate into the vertical after rapidly changing the aircraft's nose position. The F-35 is gets good and loud. pulls off the extremely dynamic pedal turn, he's going to immediately convert the aircraft into STIVL. That mode returns back in front of the crowd to operate from amphibious ships and provides additional flexibility for operations in austere environments. Once stabilized in the hover, the pilot will show the smooth handling characteristics of the F-35B. Chuckles is now setting up for a rolling vertical landing. Remaining in the short takeoff vertical landing. Chuckles and the team would like to acknowledge the